Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming to you with a quick tutorial on how to turn an infinity scarf into a head wrap. So this is an infinity scarf, the kind we get in the winter time, just wrap around in a circle. In the summertime you can make it into a head wrap. So I'm going out to run some errands really quick, and today is wash day, so I don't want to refresh my curls quite yet. So I'm going to put it into a high puff. Or you can braid your hair or put on a cap or whatever, or just put it in a puff, whatever you feel comfortable. So I'm going to put mine in a puff. Sometimes I wear it like a wig cap, but it's whatever you want to do. So I have my puff, and I'm going to grab my infinity scarf and smooth it out and make sure it's all even and nothing is twisted. And the part that I want to go in the back, I am going to put it over my head and place one side in the back. And that has now become the back of your hair wrap. Halfway there. And now you're going to grab in both hands, one side in both hands. And then the next step would be to twist. You're going to twist each side towards each other on the sides of your head. So the goal here is to get it tight around the back of your head so it's no loose fabric. So I'm going to twist and keep twisting and twisting and twisting and twisting about just until I feel it's tight enough and the sides have started to come towards each other and I got this little closed tent flap. So now when I feel like it's tight, there's no fabric loose right there, I'm going to start twisting these twisted strands around each other like I'm doing a twist. So it's easy to get your hair caught, so just be careful. Don't want any breakage. So now I'm going to twist these together while simultaneously twisting so once we twist it about halfway, you just want to twist the rest all in the same direction. So we're going to twist, twist, twist. You see, it now actually looks like you got a large braid. And so now, once we have a tight twist, it's all the way around my head, extra tight. I'm going to start wrapping this around my puff or the knot, whichever you have. Still twisting though. Still twist. Wrap, wrap, wrap. And you can adjust to how big you want your knot. So I'm going to wrap, wrap, wrap. So I'm just wrapping this around my puff. And some people have stuffed towels in there. I did that before. Or, you know, another scarf or however to keep it big. So if you feel like your knot isn't big as you would like, you can, you know, put a towel in there and then wrap it around. Or if you have a big puff, then it's a bigger wrap around and you'll have the big bun type thing. But this is the finished product. So now, of course, we have to hit our baby hairs on the side. Edges toothbrush. And I dip it in the gel and I just smooth my little hairs down, tuck them under there, and then you can always pull this down if you want it over your ears. Finished product in less than 5 minutes. Your chic and ready to go for the day. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and follow on curly.fashion.world on Instagram. Thank you. It's your girl Shanice. Bye.